going to show you how to trade the easiest way possible. I'm going to show you guys my strategy that I use. Whether you have 2 days in the game, 2 months in the game, or 2 years in the game, if you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day, just stay tuned to the end because you don't want to miss out on any of this information. The secret keys and tricks to make this strategy work. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Woo! Before we get too much more into the video, don't forget to go in the links in the description and reach out to me, guys. I do offer one-on-one coaching calls in the Calendly/King Lotta link in the description, where you can get a one-on-one consultation to help you start your business, build an online store, or even just learn the ins and outs of trading to the fullest. So guys, don't forget the YouTube memberships, where we do have cheap exclusive investing content, as well as we do have the ebook store where you can read and learn everything that you need to know about trading, real estate, investing, crypto, and even how to start your own trucking business. Back to the video. Woo! Get right into it. First thing I want to show you guys is the 30-minute chart right here. So as you're looking at this, we're on the 30-minute chart, as you can see right here, and as you can see, each one of these candles indicates 30 minutes. So this is what you would do just to find the overall trend for the week. You would try the overall trend for the day and the next hour and then the last hour. So this is important. You always want to start on the higher time frame and start to work your way down when you're looking at these charts that you want to trade on. So what I mean by find the highest time frame first and work your way down, as you can see on this 30-minute chart right here, we are on a bearish candle. We're going to the downside. The wick is pretty it's a pretty consistent candle. This candle right here, based off of the last green candle, it's telling me that the market is consolidating. As you can see, we're pretty much doing sideways market, but it looks like we could be trying to go up. As you can see, we have this big hammerhead candle right here, meaning that we were trying to go down, but we resisted and we started going up. You see the green, but now we're supporting again with the red candle. So I'm probably gonna predict another green candle coming up pretty soon in the next 30 minutes to an hour here, because this is a 30-minute candle. So now what you would want to do after that is you would want to take it down to the 10 minutes, guys. So after you go to the 10-minute candles, now you can see what we're doing in a more so, you know, in more detail. So that 30-minute green candle, you can see this is 3 of these 10-minute green blocks. And now you can see what it's doing. We are trying to support and resist right here. So right here, this is what you call a doji candle. This perfect long wick up, long wick down, small body, meaning that this chart could literally do anything. It can do anything at any time. And just based off of market structure, we are trying to go in an upwards position. So what you would want to do to find your positions, guys, is you would want to go get your tools. And you could pretty much draw lines, you could draw all different types of stuff, but you want to keep it on candles. But you would pretty much get your tools right here, man, and you would pretty much draw your trend line. So right here, you could draw a trend line going up like this, just indicating of the short term the short term uptrend. So what we would do, this is the 15 minutes. Now we would go like to 5 minutes to see even more in detail. Now the chart looks like it could be coming down. As you can see, the trend lines look like the chart might just be coming down. So now we have more so of a downtrend, and this is for your shorter term trades, guys. So you really have to identify what trade times you want to trade on. So if you did want to trade on a longer time frame, 5 or 10 minutes, guys, if you did want to trade of like 5 or 10 minutes, then you would pick a up position. But if you were looking for a shorter term trade, you might want to pick a down position, because this second trend line right here that I just drew up, let me change the color on this sapsucker. So now you can see that the short-term trend is going down and the long-term trend is going up. And as you can see right here, guys, my number one strategy I'm going to show you, you see a M. You see a boom, one stick, M, boom, M. So what this means is that this downtrend could keep going all the way down, guys. It could keep going all the way down, and this pattern will start to just keep going down. As you can see, we also have the trading volume at the bottom of the chart, which is this graph that you see right here. we got your trading volume, and what trading volume indicates is who's in power. Do you have green up high or do you have red up high? So right here we see that we have this big red candle. I don't know if y'all can see this on the monitor, but we have this big red right here, and also on the shorter time frame we have a lot of big red candle right here, indicating that the red side is the strong side. We need to continue to go with the red, and once you continue to go with the red, guys, you might be able to win that trade on a shorter time frame. But like I said, you have to make sure you're trading with the right time frames, because you go to the 1 minute and you can see that we are on a downtrend. Like I said, man, you zoom in on that downtrend and you don't necessarily see any type of pattern, right? It's just really going sideways. We're trying to go up again, but then we might go down. But it looks like we're gonna stay within this yellow line. As you can see, we touched again, and it looks like we're just gonna keep falling down in the shorter time frame. But like I said, if you want to trade longer, you want to trade 30 minutes, you want to trade an hour trade, then you would go to a higher time frame. So you go back to 15 minutes, and you can see exactly where this chart might just be going in the next 15 minutes. So we could touch this blue line, which we already did. We've already touched this blue line. Now my blue line isn't really spot on accurate, more so like right here. As you can see, the body closed right within it. We've broken out of it. The sellers are still really high. Selling volume is crazy. And then we might come out of this line, which we already did, and then we might shoot back up and break out, man. But this is how you pretty much trade. You want to make sure you're on the right time frames. You want to make sure you're using your right strategies. If you want to know the full M formation strategy, because it's an M formation, you can obviously see it. Let's see if we can go back and I can find you guys a perfect example of this M formation that I'm talking about. We got some kind of right here. So what I mean by this M formation is, if you can see this, it's like an M. And so once the M gets back at like that second mountain peak, because on the M, you got two mountain peaks. You got it going up, it's gonna go down. And once it gets back on that second mountain peak right there, which will be this point right here, you wanna get it at its highest point. You wanna enter the trade right here and just ride that sap sucker down, guys. And same thing, kind of like right here. You can see a small little M right there. You want to get it right at that point right there, and you want to ride it down. So you guys can see on the monitor, another M, small points, big top, ride that sap sucker down. And this strategy also works in the reverse way. So on the W, you just got to be able to see it, guys. We have a W right here, kind of, we're kind of going up, down, middle point right there. Once we get to the second, valley of the W, so we're gonna go up. Once we get to that second point at the valley, you want to hit it and ride it up right there. So you would ride that up right in here at this point. Same thing, kind of right here, guys. This is kind of a sideways market, but at the same time, you got W stem, the middle of the W, the bottom valley. You want to get in right there and ride that thing up just like that. And then once you get up, you can see we have another M right here, guys. So now you get up right there, you sell off, and then once you get down here, that's when you want to buy again. And now you can see we got some buyers coming in with those green candles. And then you just got to watch out for the sideways market. Once you see this sideways market, you just want to go to a different chart. And that's how you guys trade binary options, Forex. And this is how you guys find charts and learn how to trade, man. If you want the full video on the M formation and these W's, these M's and W's, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And the video is right here. Make sure you watch that video. It can literally change your life. You can make millions of dollars, if not thousands. But yeah, man, trading is power and knowledge is power. So as long as you have the knowledge, can't nobody stop you. You just gotta grind, you gotta stay focused, you gotta stay consistent, and you gotta stay disciplined. And the most important thing with trading is that you have to have patience. If you don't have patience, you can see the spot about to form right there. You can see that big drop off about to happen. But if you don't have patience, guys, you could be all the way back over here. You could be trading all the way back over here and the market's still gonna go sideways. Now it just took you out your trade because it wanted to go up just a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Like, because if you think the market is gonna, okay, it went down, you think it's gonna go up, and then right here you think it's gonna shoot up again, no sirski. We're gonna go sideways a little bit. So you have to watch out for those sideways movements. It's not always gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. You gotta watch out for that sideways movements. But normally when we do have a lot of down movement, you are gonna see yourself starting to head sideways. Then we're gonna peak up or peak down a little bit. And you just always wanna get it at its highest point and sell, or get it at its lowest point and buy. But that is how to trade. Hope you guys gained some knowledge. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to trade on pocket option the easiest way possible. I hope you learned something from this strategy. If you did, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to more easy ways on how to trade and how to make money online, because this is Black Investors Group, and that's what we do over here. We make money the easy way, and we do post every day, so make sure you hit that bell. But with all that being said, my name is King Latta. We out. Woo!